Hi Spirit, would you like us to help you move on to the light? Would you like to be moved to the light? Thank you. That's it. Just take them back. That's lovely. Can you see the light, most importantly of all? Can you see the light in front of you? Thank you. Walk towards that light. Don't be scared of it at all. It's a warm light. I've got a male. He is almost of his teenage years. A male waiting for you. Yeah, can you associate with that male? Thank you. Is he your grandson? Is he your child in spirit? Okay, move them back. Right, just go into the light and don't be scared of it. Just let it engulf you. Okay? You're welcome. So there we are. So we're going to go back into the forest now, because we've been in a tree house for about 40 minutes, and see what else we can find. CJ, signing out for now. Good night.